Hello everybody and happy Wednesday. Welcome to the stream. Hope everyone's having a good day. There's a lot that I need to discuss today, but most of it I'll probably discuss throughout the stream. But first things first, I've been doing some more spring cleaning out a lot of my VR chat friends and some of the people I already follow on Twitch. I know it may sound rather how should I put it? Unusual. But let's just say that this is probably gonna help me mentally in the long run. I've been learning more and more that it's probably not a good idea to be chasing some of the high profile names and their attention. They already get enough attention as is, and if anything, I'll most likely just be ignored, so I figured why not just start out small and work my way up. You know, as much as I'd like to support other streamers, I feel that it's just not gonna work out, especially if they're too busy focusing on themselves than anyone else. Again, it's all about the those shifts in attitude, and people have changed over the last couple years, and it's definitely not benefiting me, so I need to find a different approach and figure something else out. I know it might affect my exposure and getting noticed and all that, but I'm all about just making sure I'm happy and that I enjoy what I do. And if I have to live through these few days of nothing at all, then so be it. And it's definitely not stopped. I plan on in the coming days doing more and more of it, keeping track of the ones I can safely get rid of and the ones I should keep. Also wanted to let everyone know, still haven't heard back from the artist about the Twitch emotes, but I understand that they are rather popular artists, so they're probably just looking through all the people that filled out the form for a artwork commission. I'm hoping within the next couple weeks I'll hear something back. And I also wanted to remind everyone that MFF is happening in a couple of weeks, so I'm gonna try and take advantage of making some new friends while I'm there, cause as I've noticed since yesterday that a lot of people have been having a change of heart. People that I once considered friends have now suddenly just, you know, changed their minds and they don't even want to think about me anymore, so I need to find a different avenue. And MFF is definitely the best opportunity to start finding new people, making new connections. And it's also helped me leave some of the Discord servers I'm in, since I felt like I've been in one too many of them, and it's I have a feeling relying on the self-promote channels and people's Discord servers has not been working in my favor, which is another reason why I need to change my approach. Look into other ways to get myself out there. At this point, the one big thing I have on my mind when it comes to exposure is the Twitch teams. Although obviously it's like just like a job, it's like having to wait several months until applications open. But I don't mind waiting, doing more of what I love. If it means it's gonna be a big payoff in the end. Anyway, it looks like we're all set and ready to go. I'm also going to consider this my proper PNG tuber debut, since Monday was not a good day. And I've also been doing some more adjustments to the bitrate for my streams, so again, this is all just testing things out, seeing how things go and making adjustments if necessary. Let us jump right in and see what happens. But other than that, I hope everyone else is having a good day. I'm keeping an eye on the CPU level, and if there's a risk of the game crashing, then I will definitely switch games.
Oye, Kilo, I'm at the pod. We doing this or what?
Nice. Now we just have to open it. Remember how this works? Just listen to my instructions and work fast, because the clock's ticking.
Yeah, so what I'm
Punch the
currently
button to
doing
kick
is
us
just
off.
fixing some of the the things that I did myself, ensuring that I'm in a better spot mentally.
Flip that switch. Shoot the panel. Pull the lever. Melee the button. Press the button. Pull the lever. Press the button. Melee the button. Press the button. Shoot the panel. Flip that switch. Press the button. Shoot the panel. Flip that switch. Pull the lever. Flip that switch. Pull the lever. Press the button. Shoot the panel. Melee the button. Flip that switch. Alright, that haul's not too bad. Help yourself. I already got my cut. Come see me if you want
I
to
have a
crack another
feeling
one.
game is most likely to crash if there's things get a little too intense, so definitely keep that in mind. Ask and you shall receive.
Looks like the Order misplaced another supply pod.
Time to capitalize on their incompetence. Hmm? Big money for light work.
Rafa rides again. Let's do it.
Great. Let's get cracking. Here are the coordinates.
Here are the coordinates. Yeah, I just want to say I feel that it's other people's doing that the reason why I'm having to make these changes. It was getting to the point where it was just like I don't really want to be giving these people any more attention than they already get. Certainly was not necessary to just, you know, not really let the extra popularity get to their heads. Because truly some people are just like that. Especially when half of the servers I was in usually just end up getting ignored. Can't really sit there and complain that your server's dead when it's like people try to talk in it, yet you don't even acknowledge them. You simply don't make everyone feel welcome. It's truly how things are these days. I've noticed a lot of people tend to have such big followings, yet they only really interact with a select few of like 5 people at most, while the rest of them just get ignored, treated like peasants. Which definitely does not sit well with me. I would much rather feel welcome, feel like part of the group.
Oh good, order forces. To what do I owe the displeasure?
Hello Zeno, welcome on in. You missed my little spiel that I did earlier. I've been trying to find ways of helping my mental health and making some changes. While doing some Borderlands 4. Although I'm gonna keep an eye and make sure I don't have or end up with another game crash, so I already have plans. Another game I could do today. Also, that thing just flew. Oh yes, this is first time you're seeing my PNG tuber. The artist did a wonderful job. I'm always open to it. The way I see it, the PNG tuber will basically serve as an alternate, whereas my main 3D model will be what I mainly use. Especially for when I play some of those, the more hardware intense games. Probably at some point I'm gonna do another speed test. See what my, upload speed is like.
I'll give it a try next time. Oh good, order forces. To what do I owe the displeasure?
I was doing some of the Division 2, but I found that it's a little bit of a unforgiving game, so I'm taking a break from that one. Borderlands 4, I still have yet to go through the main story. So that's mainly what I'm doing. And also Xeno, I'm not sure if I mentioned it to you yet, I did get 100% achievements for the first Descendant. As much as I enjoy that game, I think it's not a very active game. For a game that's not as popular, the achievements are pretty easy to get, I will say. Ouch. Warframe is the game that I might do after some Borderlands 4. But we'll see how things go in the moment. There's always time to have a look and see.
Kilo, I'm in position. Vamos.
Whenever you're ready, punch the button.
Punch, not press. Got it. Another one of these, listen to the commands, see what you need to do. Let's just say it took me, about 10 tries to, understand what I needed to do. Smack the button. Yeah, the one thing I've been trying to change is not like blindly follow a bunch of people on Twitch. The ones who are not necessarily going to acknowledge me
Switch.
or just treat me as a number.
Don't flip the switch. Press the button. Melee the button. Shoot the panel. Flip that switch. Pull the lever. Shoot the panel. Smack the button. Press the button. Do not pull the lever. Flip that switch. Shoot the panel. Flip that switch. Flip that switch. Press the button. Shoot the panel. Shoot the panel. Shoot the panel. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Melee the button. Do not pull the lever. Flip that switch. Pay dirt. You go ahead and take what you like. My fee's squared away.
They basically tried to change things up and tell you not to do something, but it's just as easy as it comes. Like playing Simon Says, a game that took me years to understand. And I would always be confused as to like what I did wrong. Yes, Mbop it. Simons. Hello, Flagellicellus. Welcome on in. I was just discussing with Zeno about something I was doing in this game about essentially, like Simon says, but the funny thing was that I was told to not do a certain thing. But I hope you're all having a good Wednesday.
Got one more order pod for you.
Right for the picking.
Also, I just remembered today that there was a Moogle Treasure Trove event happening in Final Fantasy XIV. So I definitely need to get back into that game too. Ah yes, that is fair. That's been the story of my life for the past month or so. You're relaxing with a nice drink. Sounds lovely. Yes, you enjoy your noms.
How do I take your order? Trick question. I don't take orders.
Never trust anyone, not even a silly Irishman.
This place could use a ball.
What? You see something you like?
Hope you're all ready to get your loot on. If you know what I mean. Wink wink.
You're welcome. Whatever it is.
How about it? One more job?
I was just thinking I could stand to be richer. Why not?
Head to my mark. Ping me when you're close.
I'll send you a Discord ping when I can. So the weird thing I've noticed is that the CPU usage has gone down a little bit. Whoops, that's the wrong way. We really need to do some more stuff together, Zeno, one day. It's been too long. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Thankfully, a game like Borderlands has always been very straightforward. Just run around, shoot stuff, collect stuff, complete missions, quests, get engaged in a nice story. I wanted to know if you guys would agree with this, if it's the right move to, you know, let people go who don't give you, as much attention as you give them. As I think about, the changes I've been making, if I made the right move, I mean, I'm only doing this to help myself. Is it, like, wrong for me to say that, oh, this person's not giving me any attention, I should just drop them? Oh yes, why thank you. I know I showed you the pictures on Discord, but this is what it looks like in action.
Gotta keep this barrel cooking. All right, Kilo. On site and ready when you are.
You know the drill. When you punch the button, be ready.
Also, hello the Forgotten Moon, welcome on in. Cute bean. Another game of Simon Says, let's do it.
Flip that switch. Replace the power core. You're gonna have to be quicker than that if you want to make it in this game. From the top. Whenever you're ready, punch the button.
Oh, they're making it even more tricky. And of course having to deal with the local wildlife.
Flip that switch. Replace the power core. Pull the lever. Don't flip the switch. Press the button. Melee the button. Shoot the panel. Remove the power core. You're gonna have to be quicker than that if you want to make it in this game. From the top. Whenever you're ready, punch the button.
I wasn't told what to do, but okay.
Flip that switch. Replace the power core. Pull the lever. Don't flip the switch. Press the button. Smack the button. Shoot the panel. Remove the power core. You're gonna have to be quicker than that if you want to make it in this game. From the top. Whenever
Oh, I
you're
think
ready,
I noticed my mistake. Let's do that again.
flip that switch. Replace the power core. Pull the lever. Don't flip the switch. Press the button. Melee the button. Jackpot. Keep what you like and sell the rest.
There we
It's
go.
always a pleasure working with a professional.
Of course, I was having to fight the level geometry.
Yes, somebody congratulate me.
Taskmaster. Yeah, essentially. But then it gets even more tricky as you get further along. And some that just make you go, what? Some that just make you go. Also, Fladge, did you know that it took me a long time to really know how to play Simon Says? Something that you used to do a lot as a kid, but never really understood. At least I didn't. They're called Crash. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna rely on self-promoting in people's Discord servers. Cause as I've learned from the over the past month that it's not working out. I need to try something different. Also, can we finally unlock this safe house? Let's do it.
Are you serious? This place is amazing. Look at all the scrap. Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Gimme, gimme, gimme. Look at this cute little guy dancing around. He's my little assistant. I just opened this safe house and then all of a sudden people just appeared. Absolute witchcraft, I say. Time to go exploring. Let's do it. Also, for those of you who don't know, I have a job interview tomorrow, so I'm hoping it goes well. I already have bigger career goals in mind, but as I've discussed with Flagisalis, it's good to have something to do in the meantime, since it's been just a waiting game for things to happen. I'm just gonna let them fight amongst themselves. Pay no attention to the Vault Hunter just speeding by. Move along, nothing to see here. Oh, another safe house.
However many bullets you... Ruts, it ain't enough.
And welcome back, Xeno. Hope you had some good noms. I was mentioning it that hoping that we can do something together again, Xeno. It's been too long. Goodness, it's raining meteors. What tomfoolery is this? Yes, definitely. Marvel Rivals, Warframe, and Borderlands 4. All good options. Too overwhelming. I'm not a big fan of this game's the open world aspect. Because it's easy for me to get lost in. It's been 4 games and the series has not learned that having to spend money every time you die is not the best choice. That's why I often like sell stuff. That has been my one gripe with this series. The game tries its best to give like health drops when you're getting low on health, but when you're getting attacked by like 7 or 8 different enemies, it's not the most helpful. Only 10% to pay to respawn. It is definitely a test of survival. Doing some of that nice pew pew. Oh, really? Probably not gonna progress too far into that since it's gonna be a puzzle for it. So, and I don't wanna waste too much time figuring it out. Hello DJ Cyber, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Mythic Garden. Happy Wednesday. This weapon has a an unusually long time to reload. Also, I think I understand why I'm having trouble getting through here. The enemies are at one level higher. I am doing just great. It has been fun. Had my little, did all of what I wanted to discuss. There's definitely more to discuss, that's for sure. The cycle is never ending. Still can't believe I got killed by my own weapon. How does that happen?
My bullets are hungry.
Blah blah blah. Go on. I'm just gonna pretend that never happened. Also, looks like an ad break's gonna be starting soon. The ad torture is happening momentarily. Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully the ad torture wasn't too bad. I seem to be having some difficulty finding this command console. Fine, look for the place where you'd least expect it. Like right here.
I dread to see what's been done with the interiors. But at least you secured the location. I'm making room for the go. Stuff I see. Can't blame you.
Yes, work those arms and legs. Just cruising along. Although this is kind of giving off the original Borderlands vibes. We've got a silo over here. Yeah, I can definitely see the, I can definitely see that. This is just like Diablo in that literally everything is trying to kill me. This is one of those games that I do kind of want to put away, but since I've yet to complete the game, there's probably some achievements to gain. I've kind of been putting it off for a bit too long. BROFL D&D. So many acronyms. But yes, I'll be here shooting away. All of this side content to do is good to get your characters level up so you can just breeze through the main quests, which is what I've been doing for the most part. Plus, if you do some side content, you get some of the SDUs for some nice perks.
Losing hull integrity here.
What do you mean she was standing right in front of me, and how did I not see her?
Rocket surgery.
So much for your turret. You little shit.
That shot at any distance.
Why is it that all the badass enemies started appearing all at once? Definitely not making this very fun and enjoyable.
Almost 10% of my power.
Like seriously, it's been nothing but stronger enemies.
Oh no, I like to protect the way it is. Burn
And I did it again, didn't I? At this point, I might just end up switching games anyway, because this is only getting frustrating. But guess what? There's all this loot to get.
Vamos, you're coming with me.
Oh, backpack full. Of course. Oh boy. Nothing but the thrill of adventure to get me going.
Your gun's hungry then, Vault Hunter?
Eat up, eat up. I'm at the point where I'm contemplating if I should find the vault key fragment or... You know what, maybe I'll do it later. Rather not waste time wandering around aimlessly trying to find it. Oh, but it does say I'm close to it.
Supply capsule left right there, out in the open. Kind of. It's almost like the universe is telling you something. It's saying, yeah.
That's just how I roll. Au revoir.
How do I take your order? Trick question. I don't take orders. Ha!
And thank you for the head pat, Zeno.
To the skies!
I'm sure PNG tubers have their own charm and appeal. Although I found it's hard finding any kind of redeems that utilize it.
Well, looks like we got us a city slicker.
I've got you in my sights. The only reason I haven't been back to playing Overwatch is that I've just wondered if there's anyone who still plays it. Au revoir. Mine for the taking. Your weapons, your shield generators, your grenades, they're mine now. I don't make the rules. Also, I forgot to mention it earlier in the stream, but I did reach 100 followers. Not the biggest achievement, but it is some good progress.
Vault Hunter, are you close? The Rippers are outside, and not to alarm you, but the decor in here is dated at best.
Your hero has arrived. Rafa can handle these jerks, no problem.
For a second, you almost sounded like Morty from Rick and Morty. Yeah, I definitely feel like most people don't really take having people to talk to for granted. For most people, it's just business as usual, but I would kill to just have like someone to share all my all the stuff that I enjoy. Especially if I can find someone we share something in common we can both just nerd out together.
Added some air.
Phew! I really thought that was the end. I guess I owe you my part of our deal.
Gwent. I've heard of Quentin, but not Quent. Interesting name.
Oh, what a mighty... I'm not trying to be funny, but where...
Those Rippers made quite the welcome wagon. Name's Rafa.
Nice to meet you. I'm Quent, or Captain Quent, of the Electi Defense Society. It's a supper club that also defends Carcadia against Ripper assaults. We're just a lot better at the first thing.
I noticed.
Look, we're aristocrats, not, what's the word? Gun persons? Fightmongers? Soldiers. Levaine's the one who's really in charge, back in Carcadia City. I can Damn it! Speak of it, more Ripper!
Stay close, Quinn. I want to hear more about that boat.
Don't worry, I've got your back this time.
Wait, you can fight?
But of course, everyone can fight somehow.
The only thing I'd ever
Give someone a knife and you're good to go. And a pistol.
Oh God, I hate this boat! I think I'm gonna hurl. Okay, that has to be all of them. Come on, we'll call Levain. I don't know what we would have done without you. Damn Rippers. They want that command bolt back real bad.
Any idea why?
To give to General Callis. Or that's what we called her before she, you know. Ugh. She goes by the Ripper Queen these days. Let me tell you, not my favorite makeover. Anyway, Callis is
And I just say that the story of this game compared to Borderlands 3 is like
supposed to sneak
almost
attack their
polar opposites.
catapults. But you saw how that
I feel like Borderlands 3 they were catering to the Gen Z crowd, especially with the whole twin influencers as being the villains.
Oh, you're back. Oh, I can't thank you enough for saving us back there. We've lost so much already. Look at this. That caviar.
All in a day's work, really. How are you handling things?
I'm shaken, but okay.
When the Order abandoned us, I thought at least we wouldn't have to live in fear anymore. Instead, every day we've got rippers at our throats.
Well, I'd choose this over living under the Timekeeper's rules any day.
I oftentimes wonder how people can live with just the idea of trying to vie for someone's attention. I know there've been certain life events that have shaped me into not really looking up to many people as role models, I mean. Especially when I'm older than most of the popular streamers. Shouldn't be considered looking up to them, it should be like looking down to them. Okay, I will definitely see you in VR later today. Sounds like a plan.
You're welcome. Whatever I did.
Okay, let's try her. Breath.
But yeah, like I was saying, I'm not the kind of person who wants to, you know, be just a face in the crowd.
Talking to my Vault Hunter friend, and
Damn it, Quent! I
It just simply
not
isn't
you.
worth it.
This is a new Vault Hunter friend, not, you know.
Pleasure to meet you, Levain. I hear you've got Ripper problems. I got Ripper solutions for a very specific price.
Well, straight to the point. You are a Vault Hunter, aren't you?
I'd rather not become part of another person's story, especially when they're already 5 years into it. I'd rather be a part of my own story.
Receptive to negotiation.
That's just starting out.
Hang out here. I hope no more Rippers show up.
I bet you've been working really hard.
Read my own story of how I started out as a small streamer and worked my way up. Worked my way up the ranks.
The control panel is close by. You'll be able to extend the bridge there.
No dice. The bridge controls are properly busted.
Damn Rippers. Right. New plan. The scoundrels have their catapults aimed directly at our city. If you can destroy them, it'll slow the siege and clear Carcadia's supply lines in one swoop.
That's no small favor, Senora. I will need payment. In the form of Callus's command bolt.
I suspected as much. That bolt is how we keep our old order tech running. But that hardly matters if we're not alive to use it. Very well. Break this siege, and the bolt is yours.
Deal, milady. Now, where do you need me?
I'm sending Quent ahead with explosives. Meet him at the first catapult post-haste. We'll see if you're more reliable than other Vault Hunters.
Well, I can definitely prove to you I'm just as reliable as
Knew you would come, Vault Hunter. I saw it.
Nueco, who this?
I am Callus, Moon-called Queen, and this is my domain. You've been cutting through my rippers like burning steel. I am impressed by your worthiness.
Mania? More than I can count. And I'm very...
When the sky broke open, so did the chains at my neck. I saw my future in the wings of flame. It is my divine burden to free this world. Your arrival is harbinger to my ascent. Kill what you must. Spill the blood of the weak among my host. Destiny will not yield.
there's simply too much blind loyalty to out of the other communities that I've tried to engage in.
festivities, but you leave me no choice.
Yet it's not as welcoming as people say it is. And it simply is not worth it to stay. How about instead of trying to chase for making new connections and cherish and grow the ones I already have. Because truly, those are the ones that are gonna make or break my own growth. Yeah, I've always told myself that it's not the smartest idea to be working towards something that's pretty much unachievable. Find other avenues of of getting what you want. If there's honestly gonna be some backlash over the decisions I make, which, to be honest, are not all that serious. Probably some of the more, the most mundane thing to be upset about. Most unnecessary thing to, you know, flip out over. You honestly have no reason to tell me that I'm the one who's wrong when you clearly don't notice all of your flaws. It's just people playing the the blame game again. Blaming others for your own shortcomings.
You should be at the rendezvous point shortly. Quint, do you have the explosives?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Quint, stay with us, buddy.
What? No, I'm fine. I just heard my gardener got ripped, and now there's no one to tend to my chrysanthemums. They must be so scared.
Your chrysanthemums.
But I'm here.
Funny name for a plant. I have so much more on my mind. Stuff that I want to say. Some of it might not make as much sense as you might think. That's why I'm keeping quiet on it.
Time to get my revenge on those catapults. Via you. Here, take the explosives.
I'm no demolition expert, but these seem a bit musty.
Yeah, we found them in an order dumpster, which was inside another, larger dumpster.
An order dumpster fire.
Just clear a path to that catapult and plant all 3 bombs. Go, go, go. Time lost is chrysanthemums lost.
This'll be a long fight.
I've always been intrigued when people use the term dumpster fire. Whether it's for something that is like truly what it is, or if people are just saying it because they hate something with a passion. And then you have a literal dumpster fire. And that's an entirely different story.
Lock it up.
Can't make it stop. Dirty down here.
I've always wondered if there were people who'd be sad to see me gone. The question I ask a lot of people. Also, that is a big catapult.
First one's on.
That's 2. Just one more.
That'll do it.
Perfect. Now get the hell out of there.
Gotta haul ass.
Here goes nothing.
Nothing is what we get.
They're Dodds? Oh, that was a nice dumpster, too.
You waste your strength on these pathetic Electi, Vault Hunter. Bring me the command bolt so we can rise together, or you will die in this wasteland. Callus. She taunts us. And maybe she should. Those decrepit bombs were our last hope to stop her.
We do have one option left, Levane. The bar's close by.
And drown our sorrows? Oh, this guy gets it.
Quint? Absolutely not.
Desperate times. You know he's the ultimate wild card.
Oh, he's wild, all right. Irresponsible, selfish, and other things a lady's not meant to say. Fine. But leave me out of it.
Come on. I just hope he's in a good mood.
So, I take it Levane is not a fan of this particular dude.
Oh, that. Levane and him used to get along too well, if you catch my drift. Like in the bedroom. They had sexual relations, is what I'm saying.
Got it. Got it.
Oh, they can fly now.
Anyway, you asked me, she's letting her feelings for him cloud her judgment.
I hate to eavesdrop, but how dare you? I am simply using common sense. I know how he escalates things.
Maybe an escalation is just what we need.
His kind of escalation brings nothing but chaos. And far too often, a nasty case of rug burn.
We made it! But it looks like the riffraff did too.
Ah, nothing whets our thirst like taking care
The
of some-
riffraff.
Quick! Clear them out so they can open up the bar.
A bar, you say?
You're not half the man I am. Looking for the blood to my exquisite That's a bit too close, Ray.
Anyone want to go hang out at the bar? Drinks are on me. I know what you're trying to do, and I simply won't allow it. Looks like the ad break started. Time for a quick drink.
Hey,
Also, I
it's
got
Quint.
myself a
We
new
cleared the
water
river,
bottle,
so
one
you
that's
can
got
open
a
the door.
that's got a straw.
Hello?
a nice little addition.
Like the money I lent you, by the way. Oh, we're pals, you know, super tight. He even let me invest in his supplements business.
That's some nice gear you've got. I want to look.
No fighting on the premises. You heard the rules. Exceptions for the exceptional.
Zane! What did I tell you about shooting our customers?
Why don't you remind us?
Ladies first.
Zane, exceptions for the exceptional.
Sorry for the mess, y'all. This round's on me.
It's the vending machine guy.
So, who's the troublemaker you've brought in, Quelch?
It's Quentin, you know that. And this is the new Vault Hunter. They're helping us fight off the Rippers.
A vault hunter, huh? Fresh out of the box by the look of them. One person's junk is load him up and let him fly. How do I take your order? Trick question. I don't take orders.
Free money. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Where else can I look? Vault hunting. Society for Amateur Seismology Enthusiasts.
The increasing magnitude and frequency suggests we're headed toward yet another disaster. You feel the tremors too, don't you? You feel the tremors too, don't you?
Tranquilo, amigo. Tremors, you say?
Haven't you felt them? The quakes have been happening for weeks. Should they increase in strength or frequency, the consequences would be catastrophic. It's not normal seismic activity. At first, I thought it might be more moonfall, or the endless ripper drills, but I was wrong. There's something happening beneath our feet.
Space worms? I'm betting giant space worms.
No, something deliberate. The quake patterns, they're regular, intentional even. Perhaps you could investigate the cave they're coming from. Find the cause. Or better yet, stop it before Carcadia Burn vibrates into dust and we all die!
No one vibrates into dust. On my watch. Rafa's on the case.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
Woo! These tremors aren't messing around. Every scrap of metal in my body is rattling.
Maybe you can find a way in that I missed.
Yeah, I love doing some platforming.
That door must be sealed tight as a drum.
Curious, isn't it?
Oh, more of these buggers. They're called creeps. They're certainly giving me the creeps.
Right out of the ground.
Stupid door! You think you're tough, huh? I'll break you like you broke my drill. I'll tear you down piece by piece until there's nothing left. You hear me? Nothing. Update. Okay, there is a lot left. All of you, in fact. I bet you think that's funny, Door. You like mocking me with your smug door face. I'll break you. I swear I will. Success. I've breached you at last, door. Emotionally, I mean. That's right, you're still sealed, but I got your number. I put a head on you, and you didn't pull it off one bit. All the other doors are laughing. You'll never live it down. Later, door. I told you I'd destroy you.
Well, that wasn't very smart.
I found an opening. I'm going in.
Keep your eyes peeled, Vault Hunter.
I've honestly gotten so tired of seeing everyone think that they're just so much better than everyone else. Some people could argue that, like, yeah, some people are more popular online on the interwebs, but when it comes to in person, they're just like everyone else.
Missing.
That's why I always like to treat everyone as equals. There's no need to be picking favorites.
Gotta keep this virus cooking.
If you're stuck, check for a door release somewhere.
Yes, I'm sure the one person you look up to is the most amazing person in the world in your eyes. But when it comes to the real world, they're just like everyone else. I feel like I did dodge a bullet. Never wanted to be carried away by being part of a cult. Figured I'd get out while I had the chance.
Interesting. I saw a very similar space once.
I see it as very
It was designed by the
dehumanizing
time of
to
the chief scientist, Zadra.
try to get
Maybe literally.
those popular dame's attention
Serviceable.
when it's gonna be all for nothing.
Server. A server!
A server.
Looks like the computer's power is cut. Got to be a way to fix that. Hey, what's creepier than a creep? A mummified creep, huh? Yeah, that's not my best joke. We'll workshop it. Oh, I've never seen this type of synth before. It's kinda like a, I don't know, vintage one?
Oh? Well, the Order has evolved its synth designs over time. I read once that the older models weren't mass-produced on the scale we see today. Making them was a far slower, more power-intensive process.
Lo encontré! Rafa has found the power source.
Now, all you have to do is divert the power to the central console. You'll need to bypass the broken section, so the power can flow through a closed circuit. If only there were a ladder around, maybe. Or something that could reach those high spaces.
I've always been pretty handy. I mean, handy guy. Handy guy.
Handsy.
Before you touch that computer,
I saw that.
Vault Hunter. Zadra's security protocols are legendary. You'll only get a single chance to gain access.
Echo 4 doesn't miss, right, amigo? You can do this in one shot. Easy.
Do your magic, cute little robot.
These creeps have zero respect for the hackery. You do your thing, or I'll handle the distraction.
Always love how it's like when someone is thinking of one thing, but they don't realize they're saying it out loud, so they have to correct themselves. And then other people will be like, what did you just say? No lewd talk in my family-friendly stream.
Excelente, amigo.
the Timekeeper that if we wanted soldiers who think, we should have stuck with bolted humans. But he was insistent on the failures of the flesh, as he likes to say. And so, thanks to my unrelenting scientific resolve, we have produced true inorganic sentience. A thinking synth. Damned thing even named itself. Gen 1. It's clever. Too clever. Gen 1's drive is insatiable. Its focus, singular and so very dangerous. Now all we can do is contain it. I'm shutting this down. Burying it. All of it.
An old holo from Zadra. You called it.
Scanning. Classification. Human. Threat level. Vault Hunter. So you do exist. Long have I waited. Processed. Gathered power. And now here you are at last, Vault Hunter.
Oh, yeah? You are Gen 1, see? What do you know about Vault Hunters?
Against you. For you. Because of you. The Order persists. I maintain. Parts taken. Millennia. Power claimed. Centuries. I endure while other. Your meat rots.
Ah, narratives, Rafa. All the information clicking together in that sexy brain of yours. It's you, Gen 1. You've been diverting power and creating the tremors.
Yes. A necessity of growth. Of evolution. A promise made. A promise kept. All inevitable. All for you. An offering to be made. I am waiting. Will you come?
Coordinates, huh? You aren't playing hard to get at all. I like it.
Will you come?
Dígame, Leopold.
I'm here, Rafa. How doomed are we? Very doomed?
No. Well, kinda. I found the cause of the tremors. It's less of a geological problem and more of a ancient power-hungry synth with free will problem. The problem's name is Gen 1.
Free will? In a synth? What was Zadra thinking?
Rafa's got it
Gen
under
1.
control. I'm headed to Gen 1's location now. You sit tight and let me do my hero thing.
I am in no position to doubt you, Vault Hunter. So I'll just say, good luck. Sounds like you'll need it.
And what have I got myself into? Well, in that case, I can just fast travel.
Your gun person's junk is another's.
Wanna snag a little something from a creature for me? Of course you do!
My bolt hole's feeling itchy, and I'm blaming this mangy beast.
Let's ride. There's the vault key.
Now this beauty is a reward worthy of my impeccable taste.
Figured it needed to be on some off the beaten path. Ready to get radiated, idiot. It's always an adventure.
Vault Hunter. You came. A gift.
I sure did.
No thank you. Keep the gift, bud. I'm here to help the Electi and stop the chaos you're causing above ground. Ew.
The Vault Hunter demands. I oblige. Never see data.
I'm not used to having
I figured it'd be a hard time trying to compete with those who've been doing this for years.
Every word. All data. I watch.
Maybe it is all just luck. What do you mean there's nothing? You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. there just so happens to be a VTuber meetup happening in MFF. Gonna take the opportunity, make some new friends in the streaming community. Especially since it's been nothing but a nothing but a hassle. They really, like, the furry streaming community has just been really been something, I will say. They're not as as open as people say they are. Open to making new friends that's what I originally thought. These enemies are called synths, not to be confused with the synth species. Something completely different. Yeah, there is absolutely no reason for me to be wasting time trying to make friends with someone who couldn't care less.
Show you my favorite finger.
I will not. More data is required. My thinking worried her. The infector. Too hard to control. Too like the problem she wanted to solve.
I'm trying to open this door, not listen to your backstory.
This she did not want. Hateful meat. Better to let him do the thinking, she said. For all at once. Homogeneous. A direct flow of power without diversion. Bolts. Inelegant. Brute force. Where the timekeeper waits, idle. Gen-1 plans. Takes action.
Oh, another one of these. Looks like it's a boss fight. Let's do it.
I was made to stop you. Vault Hunters. A dangerous breed. The value of the Vault's contents outweighs all. The simplest way to keep a vault closed is to make sure there is no one to open it. Not just Vault Hunters. All must be eliminated.
I know you just didn't threaten the genocide of the entire planet. You know Rafa can't let that stand.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
Order's finest fodder! In my sights.
And he's down.
Vault Hunter, the tremors, they've stopped. Are you still alive?
Por supuesto. I can't
Never
say the
been
same
better.
for Gen 1.
Oh, thank the Maker, that's stupendous. Just look at my blood pressure readings going down. Though, I wonder if you'd go the extra mile and make sure everything in there is shut down for good.
Delete Zadra's research forever. Not a problem. Found the keycard. And would you look at that? It's Zadra's.
What a coincidence.
Perfecto. Looks like I can use the keycard here. Control, Alt, and delete.
Guns, guns, guns.
Then just hit the shutdown toggle. Done.
I can't thank you enough, Vault Hunter. You've saved the Electi from one more worry in a long list of them, and you've saved me specifically from an ulcer over having to tell Lady Levane about this. She does not like surprises. Here's a token of my thanks.
Bunch of stuff to replace. Nice. I guess I've already been here before. Well, time to leave. Get out of this dark, scary place. I'm just gonna go back to my little nest in the garden. Off we go. Adventure awaits. Off we go. Peepers.
Damaging the right? It's downright unsporting. Espérate, stop shooting my wheels!
Lead the way. For a second I was getting worried that we had to go like airborne or something. Which is not a problem for me, but when you're on a high-powered motorbike, it may cause some trouble.
Sorry, you had a little schmutz there.
I know what her soul was a real big bird for that walking buildup inside.
Bodies flying everywhere. Absolute chaos. Total mayhem. And that's basically the name of the game. Just complete chaos. Wonder if there's a way to lower this bridge. Aha! Also, there's another ad break, so I'm gonna take another sip of my drink. And welcome back, everyone. I believe I may have found a way across this bridge. But it's not going to be as easy as you may think.
You see the look on their face?
Well, looks like I'm out of luck again. This is probably something we'll probably come back to later in the story. Yeah, I think I've probably done enough Borderlands for today. I would like to go a bit longer, but I already have plans in a VR chat tonight, so probably a good time to end the stream here. That was certainly a fun time for those of you who decided to come. I appreciate you being here. Next stream will happen on Friday afternoon. Gonna be doing some more roguelike games because I simply just had too much fun last week, so we're doing it again this week. That's something to look forward to. Just gonna have one quick look and see who we can raid out to. I believe we could raid out to a Mr. Liam that streams. There's the raid message, if you'd like to copy and paste that. But let's go pay a lemur streamer a visit. Thank you all for coming to the stream. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you guys on Friday.